morning, guys. How are you guys doing today? If you're not new here, thank you so much for watching my videos. Always, if you're new here, welcome. You're gonna love it here, I promise you. Oh my god, guys, we just reached 5k. Aki nilikuwa natembea, acha niendelee kutembea. Oh my god, we just reached 5k. I feel like I was just celebrating 4k the other day, and now we just hit 5k. Like, oh my god, thank you God so much. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you even to the silent subscribers. Thank you to even those who are watching and not yet subscribed, and maybe there's a video that is one day going to make you subscribe. Like, it's not pressure. I am just happy for every milestone that I hit, and I'm so grateful to God, and I'm so grateful to everyone who's sharing my videos. So many of you are telling me how they're sharing with their friends, and like it's, oh my god, I'm so grateful. Can you guys see me? Sijui kama mnaniona juu niko against the sun. The sun is like this way. Jua ya US wase. Oh, let me talk to you guys here kidogo. Thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. I feel like we can actually get to 10k before my birthday. My birthday is in like a month and a few weeks, and that is like my biggest goal. And now I'm so hopeful. Like, I know we can do it. We can do it. So keep sharing my videos. Keep telling your friends, telling someone who needs to know about God or needs an encouragement from God. Because Mimi, honestly, if you're gonna follow me, it's going to be because either you love God, or you're trying to know God, or you're trying to be closer to God, or even if you want to come abroad. There's no day I'll just tell you, like, there's no day I'll ever not speak about God. That's just me. I am so grateful, Yani. I am so grateful. I'm just like, what do you guys want? You want videos every day? Okay, I can't promise that because I don't want to be burnt out. I want to be able to give you videos and give my 100% each time, so that it can be impactful, so that it can make sense, you know. But I'm just so grateful. I love you guys so much. I love you guys. Kisses to every one of you, all my new subscribers, all my day ones, all the ones who got me in the middle. Like, I love all of you. I love all of you. My god, I'm going to have the best day today. I am claiming it. Tusata sijui. I'm so happy. I love starting my videos with like a preaching or like a word, but I'm just so happy right now. I'll maybe do that by the end of the video, but oh my god. Thank you.
Good day, mama. Safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I could've kept from too best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Not trying to make a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will whip up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days, on my mind, hold me on my mind.
Hey, by the way, guys, summer is such a scam because it's so hot. Like, naungua mimi, like, hey, how am I sweating already? And I'm not even walking that fast. And mind you, I'm going to be freezing in class because they've put like 1 million ACs in our class. It's so cold in our class. So I can't walk around without a sweater because I'm gonna need it in class. But then I know every time I come out of class, it's like, oh my God, there goes the 100 degrees sun. So guys, this is not exactly a word, but it's something I learned from TD Jakes too. He was saying how no matter what you do in life, the best, what is the word? The best thing to learn, let me say learn. Who is this calling me? Me don't call me unless I was expecting your call. Anyway, the best thing to learn in life is reciprocity. And that's why I'm always, okay, let me first explain before I explain myself. So in reciprocity is reciprocating, like reciprocating love, reciprocating kindness, reciprocating generosity. Like anything someone gives you, make sure you also give them back. If someone feeds you something, also feed them back, because maybe you will not be able to feed them the same thing they're feeding you, but there's an area they will also want you to feed them, and that is the only way to sustain like healthy relationships and sustain good connections. Because if people keep pouring into you every time and you don't pour into them, they're going to get tired, and at some point you're gonna lose whatever you're gaining from them. And yeah, so it was just like whatever it is, even if it's your parents, they're always like providing for you. You can do for them something, even if it's just maybe house chores or just even I don't know, parents is tricky, but you can always reciprocate. Like always remember, if someone keeps checking up on you, even you keep checking up on them. If someone keeps complimenting you, even you keep complimenting them, because sometimes people give you what they're lacking and you might think, that's just them, they're always there for me, that's just their character. But no one is ever like just there. No one is ever there to worship you. No one is ever there to just be there for you. Everyone is always doing something, but they'll always need it in return. So always find a way. Whoever is feeding in you, whoever is providing for you, whoever is catering to you, whoever is even just encouraging you in one way or another, find a way to reciprocate. Unless you want to lose it, that's on you. But if you want to keep receiving something from people, make sure you give back. Always give back. At the church, if there's a church you go and it's always feeding in your spirit, always remember to like pay your tithes or support them when they have a project or things like those. Don't always be like, hii church wanatuitishanga pesa. If they're feeding in your spirit, like, why are you complaining? They're doing something, you're getting value. Why can't you just give back in one way or another? Or even your friends, there's that one friend who's always checking up on you, and then when it comes to you, when they want you to check up on them or when they go silent, you're like, I'm sure they'll come back and check up on me. You're gonna lose them. You're gonna lose everyone who's meant to love you and take care of you. I almost got lost. So like, yeah, what I was saying is always try to reciprocate whoever is there for you. Most times we're always like, I was there for this person and she was not there for me, and we focus on the people who left, but there are people who are still there. Like no matter how many people you lose, there's always someone who's still there, who's still riding for you, who's still believing in you, who's still like, focus on those people who stayed. Achana na wenye walienda, achana na wenye hawakukuamini, achana na wao. Just reciprocate where people feed you, where people feel in you, where people believe in you, believe in them. And that is going to take you so much far in life. And that's why I realized, and even friendships, I decided to just give back the energy I receive. The friends that I used to like, I never used to see them as such big people in my life. They're the ones who stood by me when I really needed a friend. And Mimi, ever since I learned about reciprocity, those are the friends I feed. Like, those are the friends I take more time spending time with them and getting to know them. Because I don't want to lose people who actually care about me while trying to force a relationship with people who don't even give a F, you know? So yeah, and even my subscribers, I wanted to say, my subscribers who are always commenting, who are always sharing my content, I'm always replying. Like, I will reply to every DM, even if it's in the message requests. I will reply it. I will reciprocate the love, the energy. And I've gotten comments like, oh my god, this is the first time a celebrity has replied to my DM. Mama, this is the first time an influencer has replied to my DM. And I'm like, well, I'm glad you feel good about it, because it was intentional. I did it intentionally to make you feel appreciated. Yeah. Let me go to class. Nimefika.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that.
Hi guys, so I'm done with my class. Today the class lasted 1 hour. Like, it keeps getting shorter. Anyway, there is something interesting we've learned today and I want to share with you guys. Because imagine our free information. Like, I'm paying so much money for this information. I'm just giving you guys for free. Anyway, so we were learning about culture shocks. Like, how is that part of my studies? Like, it's like God is trying to tell me, I'm with you. I'm gonna show you how to cope. So apparently there are two types of curves in culture shock. There's a U curve and a W curve. So a U curve is mostly for the people that, like, you move to a new country, and you're not planning to go back to your home country. And a W curve is for the people that move to a new country but move back to their home country after a while. Let me cross the road first. Okay. So I'm thinking I'm more of a U curve because I'm not planning to move back to my home country. Not that I'll never go back. Like, I'll be visiting, but I don't plan to move back, as in that now I'm relocating back to Kenya. So the U curve, he was saying the first 3 months, you know how U is like, you know how U is, what am I doing? So the beginning of the U is like the highest part of the U, and he was like, that is the honeymoon period, and it lasts for like about 3 months. I was like, am I in a honeymoon period? Oh my god, all this excitement could be I'm in a honeymoon period. What? So that was really mind-blowing for me. I'm like, so it's gonna end. So the U, you know how U goes down? He was saying when it goes down, it's just the adjustments, like trying to wonder how you fit in the new place, because everything is different. There's a way of life you are used to and it's not the same anymore, and that can actually cause he said depression and just trying to figure out how you fit in this new place. and then you get adjusted. Oh my god, people are passing here and they're looking at me. You get adjusted, and so now that's the rising part of the you, where when you get adjusted and you're like, okay, I see how I can fit in here. And then it becomes your new normal. Now the other you is now stable. But he says you can never go back to the honeymoon period. Like you'll go back when it's the new normal. It will go back up, but it will never reach the. Okay, these are the flowers we saw, guys. Look at the flowers, and there's some also over here. Okay, guys, I'm becoming such a flower person. This is wow. This is so pretty. Anyway, so he was saying how this honeymoon period can only last as much, but once it's gone, it's gone. It will never be as exciting because now things are still so different. You're like, we don't do this in my home country. I'm not used to this. But it will get to a point where you're used to everything that is happening. So it will never be as exciting unless you go to another country and experience the honeymoon period again. So I'm just like, okay, it's okay. It's kind of sad that I'll never be this excited forever, but I'm just going to enjoy it while it lasts. 3 months is a good time. You know how people go on vacation and they're only excited for like a week or like maximum 2 weeks? I get to be excited for 3 months. That's still a plus for me. Like, that's good enough. And I can't also wait for this life to be my new normal. Like, I remember the first time I was coming to this school, I couldn't even get to any place without asking people for help. I couldn't even use the Google map because I was not used to Google Maps back home. And now I can get to any building. Okay, maybe not any building, but the ones I can't access even on my own, I can use the map. And even without the map, I can access most buildings on my own. So I'm like, even when it becomes normal, it's still a plus because this will be my new life. And then he was also saying, oh my god. He was also saying how even when you go, the W, let me tell you about the W curve now. When those people who decide to relocate back to their home countries, so you had already finished the U. So sir, okay, let me pass. Koko barabara. So when you're relocating, when you have the W, you started the U here, you went, and then you adjusted to the new normal. Then you relocate back to your own country. You go high again because now you're going to find everything is different. You will never find that place the same way you left it. So now you'll be like, oh my God, I didn't leave things like this. You'll feel like, hey, this is new. It will be exciting. And then for the second, the second curve, it will go faster because you don't really, as much as there's still things you have to learn about your original place, it's not as much as a foreign place. So you'll go down to missing the country that you had been to. Sijui kama mnanielewa aki, but sasa alafu ndo urudi ukwe normal. So yeah, that's the W. I kind of don't want the W. I don't want the W. I want the U. I want the U. And he was also saying, because he's also not from here, he's from Chicago, and he was saying he relocated here in 2000, and he was saying about how much culture shock he also got. And that's why he even put a video of how you should not describe yourself with the country, but with the place you're locally from. Because he says, if he says he's from US is so abstract, or it's so big, and different states have different ways of lives. And when he came here, because in Chicago he was like, people don't Like, you don't look people in their eyes if you don't know them. And here, actually, people are so nice. I was wondering how people are friendly here, and US has such a bad reputation. But he says it's because this is a small city or a small whatever, and people are so nice. People know each other. Everyone almost knows each other. So here, even strangers will just look at you and say hi and ask about your day. So that was another thing. He was like, you cannot say you're from US. You can say I'm from Carbondale, which will describe you much better than just being like I'm from US, because people will maybe expect something, a New York character or a Washington, something like that. I am going to the library. I forgot to go and apply for work yesterday. I'm going to try and apply today, hear the response, and then go buy food. We've been given an an exam. We have an exam which is already active on the site, on the portal, but it's due Friday midnight. But he's told us you can do it pole pole, like you can start today, wache katikati, kesho mpaka Friday, and it's cool. Like, imagine exam, and it's open book. You can use books and resources, just no plagiarism. So I want to ask for a job, then go see about the exam and see if I can answer anything, just see where the day takes me. I'm just from the library. I've been told that they are full. They're fully employed, if that's the word, for summer. But they've told me, this girl, I've gotten her there, she's told me to try and apply for fall. And she's given me a form to apply with. And she's told me to submit it beginning of July. Because fall starts in August. But the earlier I submit it from July, the more priority I get. So she's told me to apply this one and apply online, because that's how she got the job. So I'm so grateful. Like, I keep finding nice people. Like, wow, thank you. So I'm happy. Like, that's progress. That's so much progress. I can't wait till August for a job. I think so. I think I'll still be applying for other jobs in the meantime. But I hope I hope God secures this for me, because working in a library looks so cute. Like, I can be studying and working at the same time. Let's go get something to eat. I want to take Chick-fil-A, because the last time I tried Chick-fil-A, it was bomb.com. In Diara's words, I got my Chick-fil-A. I feel like leo nimekuwa so happy. Like, I've been my happiest today. I don't know, it's because I started my day with the 5,000 subscribers. And funny thing is, I know God is about to do even more than this. But it's just, there's so much beauty in life in appreciating where you are. So that even when you get, like, even if I get to 10K, because it will never be enough. If you don't appreciate the 5K, you won't appreciate the 10K, you won't appreciate the 20K. And I'm still hoping for God to, like, get me to even 100K. But just the 5K alone is like, oh my God, I've had such a beautiful day. I have bought food to just go and celebrate. Oh, guys, by the way, I noticed when I was editing my videos, there's that voice you hear. That's the AC. It's so hot. Woo! You can easily get dehydrated. You get dehydrated just by walking. Like, I bought Chick-fil-A. Someone is already commenting like, Terry, you are told not to eat junk food. I know, but like, there's nothing else to eat. Plus, I haven't even had any stool to give them, because I haven't had a stomach upset since I went to the hospital. This is the sandwich that I tried for you guys the other time. But I also bought this burger. I hope it's a burger. Like, I keep calling them burger and it's a sandwich. Oh my god, like if I was not a normal YouTuber, I'd be doing food reviews. I'd get fat really quick, but like I'd love doing it. Today I bought large fries. This is large for them. And I told them to give me a lot of buffalo. I was telling them I want the buffalo sauce. He's like, huh? I'm like, buffalo, huh? I was the spicy one. He's like, oh, buffalo. I'm like, oh my god. You see why you have to change your accent? Because they will not understand what you're saying. And this one's is called the Herb Ranch. I keep hearing people talk about ranch every time. So I was just like, let me try it. Uzuri, if I don't like it, I have extra buffalo sauce. Smells so good. Let's try it. The test. I like this one. It's not sweet. It's giving garlic, mayo, and vinegar, I think. It's really good. I love it. These two will now be my favorite. Now to the burger. If it's not a burger, forgive me guys. That's the easiest way I call it. Ooh. And my favorite sauce. Hi, karibu ni mwage. My god, this looks so good. So good. If it's not as good as it looks, I'll be pissed. Wow. The perfect sandwich actually exists. If I had to eat sandwich for the rest of my life, I'm sticking with Chick-fil-A. I'm sticking with Chick-fil-A for real. This is so good. Nasikia vizuri. I thank God for food. I don't know. Thank God for food. I wish I could describe this taste to you guys, but it's new to me. It's a new feeling. Shida yangu nakuanga kushiba haraka, but when I'm hungry, I buy a lot of food. A good thing is I buy so that even when I'm hungry later, I don't have to go and look for food again. But the sad thing is when I have food for later, I barely get hungry later. But when I don't have food for later, I get hungry so fast. So it's like, you can never win with my appetite. This is so good, like Let me also try this because I don't think it will taste the same when it's not hot and fresh anymore. Looks so basic now. I think I'll be buying this other one. It looks so basic now. It really looks so basic now. It's so good. And don't worry guys, I was told as long as you have in-person classes, like not online classes, as long as you've paid for the physical classes, you're eligible to join the gym for free. So I'm going to start going to the gym once my fridge is here and I can start eating healthy, because there's no point of going to the gym now and still continuing to eat junk. Like, the math is not mathing. But that's why I'm just enjoying. Like, I'll go to the gym and shred it all out, but for now let me just enjoy my life. I'm enjoying. Okay, let me leave you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'll have to vlog tomorrow and post it tomorrow midnight, so that you guys can get it the next day at 8 a.m. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Oh my god. God. I can't. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Like, oh my god. I'm just so happy. I'm such a crybaby. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm just, oh my god. So, okay, let me tell you guys. So, I can't even call him dark, but oh my god. I'm just from having my lunch, and then I was like, let me just dress down and chill and try and do my assignment. So I get to my email and I see that I have a message from the mail room. I'm like, what do they want? And I get to see that I have received a package. I'm like, wait, package? I wasn't expecting a package today, so I'm like, let me go and check my Amazon, because the only thing I was expecting is my fridge. But I'm like, today is 21st. They told me the fridge will come in 27th. And I check and it says that it has arrived. My fridge is here. Oh my god, let me go get my fridge. Oh my god, like, okay, god, like, this happened so fast. I cannot believe this. Okay, god, like, oh my god, this is so nice. Nashindwa hadi kuiendea. I'm just like, wait, what? Let's go get my fridge. No more junk food for me. Oh my god. How is this fridge here in like less? What? That's so crazy. I've gotten this trolley to just be able to carry it because they've delivered it to the school. Aki, it feels like a surprise. It feels like a gift. Oh my god. I should have just taken the trolley. What all can I about junk? Akisitawahi jitetea tena. God, nakwambia God fights my battles. I hope sijapotea. God fights my battles. Just when people want to attack me on something, he proves that don't worry, Terry, I'm in control. I'm so happy. Like, hata sijika niamini. I'm like, I was expecting this thing end month. It's here already. I don't know if my fridge will be able to pass through this shortcut because they have these things in the middle. This looks kind of big. I don't know. Oh my god, if it can't fit here, I'll have to go round this whole big ass tree. But this is like a short and easy route. Let's wait and see. Mathematics, how many physics? Yeah, it's come. Woo! We got through.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. And long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. Running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't eat sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Can't beat 'em, just join the party. I don't need nobody.
Hey, that was a whole workout. Ebona vile nimesweat. Whew, that was a whole workout. Like, I need to start working out. That is my sign. My fridge is here, guys. Wow. So I remember the last time I bought a fridge in Kenya, I was told to at least let it stay without putting it on electricity for like around 8 hours. So I'm just going to let it stay for the day, like for today and tomorrow, maybe morning. Tomorrow after my class, I am going to buy a fridge guard and buy shopping. Like, we're gonna go shopping. You know what? For that reason, I am going to edit this vlog and post it tomorrow. Y'all are gonna wake up to a new vlog because I'm excited to start vlogging for my shopping and my... Oh, I'm going to start cooking. Like, guys, are you guys ready to start seeing cooking videos? Like, I'm going to start cooking. Oh my God, like this. See, I have no words. I have no words. Kila saa nikitakwambia kitu, I'm like, I have a million things to tell you. But like, oh my God. Let me show you guys how it looks. It's just a basic ass fridge. It looks like... I don't know if it's the same size as the fridge I had back home or it's a bit smaller. It's like give or take, but I don't really need a big fridge actually. I just need food and refrigeration, because at a refrigeration I need like cold drinks because it's so hot here and it's easy to get dehydrated.
That heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride working in the middle. I wanna working in the middle. I wanna
I am so tired. Let me end this vlog here and I'm going to start another one tomorrow. I am so excited for tomorrow's vlog. I'm so excited for this vlog. This vlog has gone in a way I was not expecting. I can't even sweat. If you've watched up to this point, guys, thank you so much. If you've reached to this point and you haven't subscribed, this is your sign to subscribe. The videos are just about to get even more spicy. Yeah, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you guys in the next vlog.